Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. In this edition, we're going to take you through the best manufactured housing community in Carlsbad, California. The best manufactured housing community in Carlsbad, California is Lanikai Lane. This is an all-age community just across the highway from the beach. It has a newly renovated clubhouse, swimming pool area. It also has horseshoe pits. Right now I'm standing in front of the newly renovated swimming pool here at Lanikai Lane. As you can see, these are beautiful grounds. This is the best manufactured housing community in Carlsbad, California. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. To see future videos, please subscribe to our channel. We look forward to showing you more videos.